Hello everyone, welcome to today's presentation. In today's presentation, we are going to tackle the following question. The question reads, what is the area of the shaded part in the figure below? So looking at the figure, we have a composite figure that has several regular figures merged together. So if you look at point A, F, G, and B, we identify that we have a square, and when you look at point B, C, and G, this is a triangle, and when you look at point F, E, D, and C, this gives us a rectangle. So we have all these shapes merged together, and we are expected to calculate the area of the first section, which is shaded, and that comprises of a square and a triangle. So for us to be able to calculate the area of these two shapes that have been merged together, we need to look at the dimensions and the lengths of each of these shapes. So we have line AE equal to 9 centimeters. So here we have 9 centimeters, and then we have line ED equals to 14 centimeters. So ED equals to 14 centimeters, and then we have line AB equals to 6 centimeters. So for us to be able to do the calculation for the area of the shaded part, we need to distribute all these distances to their respective points. So we know that from point A to F, since this one is a square, is equal to 6 centimeters, and then we know the distance from point B to G is equal to 6 centimeters, and then the distance from point F to G is equal to 6 centimeters. Then we need to calculate the distance from point G to C. So the distance of point G to C will be given by subtracting the distance of E to D. You subtract the distance from F to G. So GC will be equal to 14 centimeters minus 6 centimeters, which gives us 8 centimeters. Now, having done that, we have all the required measurements to enable us calculate the area of the shaded part. Let A be the area of the shaded part. So A will be given by finding the formula of finding the area of the square, which is length times width, plus the area of the triangle, which is a half base times height. So substituting in the values, we will get that the area will be equal to, we find the area of the square, which is 6 centimeters multiplied by 6 centimeters, and then add the area of the triangle, which will be given by a half. Our base is 8 centimeters, so a half multiplied by 8 centimeters multiplied by the height, which in our case will be 6 centimeters. So point GC will be our base for the triangle, and point GB will be the height for the triangle. Now, upon simplifying this expression, we have 6 centimeters multiplied by 6 centimeters gives us 36 centimeters squared, plus simplify the fractions, we have a half multiplied by 8 centimeters multiplied by 6 centimeters. So we need to simplify this expression. So we cancel here by 2, we get 1. Cancel by 2, we get 4 centimeters. So our equation now reads area, which is the total area, will be equal to 36 centimeters squared plus we have 4 centimeters multiplied by 6 centimeters. This will be 36 centimeters squared, and then you add 4 times 6 centimeters will give us 24 centimeters squared. So the total area of the shaded part will be given by 0 there, centimeters squared, and then we have 3 plus 2 gives us 5 plus 1 gives us 60 centimeters squared. So the total area of the shaded part will be equal to 60 centimeters squared. This brings us to the end of our presentation today. Looking forward to seeing you in our next presentation. Thank you.